Hello friends, in today's video we are going to see the Royal Malaysian Police Museum located in Kuala Lumpur is dedicated to showcasing the history of the Royal Malaysia Police from its inception during British colonial rule to the 1970s. The museum features fascinating collections of artifacts and exhibits detailing the role and history of the Royal Malaysia Police. The museum is open daily from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. except on Mondays. On Fridays, it closes between 12:30 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. for Friday prayers, and admission is free. Here you can see the aircraft Cessna model U206 used by the Royal Malaysian Police Wing. At the outdoor exhibition, you could see the British and Japanese cannons used during the World War II. Also, you can see the armored car and armored personal carriers here. Now let us walk through this Officer Square monument listing, where you could see the names of police officers on a roll of honor having received various awards and medals can be seen here. What you see there is the Birds Park, Kuala Lumpur, which is right behind this police museum. And it is home to more than 3,000 local and foreign birds of approximately 200 different species. If you are in Kuala Lumpur, do make a visit. It's one of the must-visit attractions of Kuala Lumpur. Here you can see the cars of the then Inspector General of Police used while they were in office. The museum has 3 galleries, and permission is not granted to take videos or photographs inside them. However, I will share a few words about what I saw inside these galleries. That said, I strongly encourage you to visit and witness these fascinating collections for yourself. Upon entering the museum, the first gallery, Gallery A, explains how policing was conducted during the era of the early Malay sultanates. Walking through the replicas of old Malacca streets, you learn about policing during the Portuguese and the Dutch colonial eras before reaching the British era, where today's Royal Malaysia Police began. You see various police uniforms through the ages and other artifacts like a set of ceramic soap tureens used by the Straits Settlements police officers in Penang during the 1820s. The next is Gallery B, which details the evaluation of police forces across various states in Malaya's history, including the Straits Settlement, Federated Malay States, Unfederated Malay States, Sabah and Sarawak. It showcases everyday items used by early police forces. Models of police vehicles and motorbikes are also on display. The impressive armory room features police firearms and weapons used by the earlier criminals like knuckle dusters, knives, sticks and swords, etc. The final gallery covers the Malayan emergency, highlighting the sacrifices and struggles against the communist terrorists and the success of the police, a special branch in defeating them. It also features displays on the police role in combating organized crime syndicates, drug and forgery operations, and busting secret societies. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and comment, and consider subscribe to this channel. Thank you.